Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today let's see how we can make beetroot halwa in a very easy fashion at home. This doesn't need khoya. Let's get started. For this, I have taken 5 cups of grated beetroot. Grate as fine as possible, then only the halwa would be very soft. Now take a pan, put on the stove, add 2 tablespoons desi ghee or clarified butter. Add some raisins. Fry them, let them puff up, then take them out. I'm adding these raisins at first because nuts take more time than raisins usually. Now I'll add some cashews. These are 20 to 25 pieces. Nuts are of your choice. You can add almond, pista, whatever you want to have, you can add. Take them out after they get fried. Now to the remaining ghee, add the grated beetroot. No need to add any extra ghee. This recipe doesn't take a lot of ghee. Saute it on low flame for 2 minutes. This removes the raw aroma of beetroot which many don't like. In 2 minutes on low flame, the grated beetroot absorbs ghee. After 2 minutes on low flame, add 1.5 cups of milk. Use rich creamy milk if possible to get that nice taste because we are not adding khoya in this. This is rich creamy milk which I have added. Saute it on low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Then cover it for 10 to 12 minutes on low flame only. Use low flame, no need to take out the lid and mix occasionally. After 10 to 12 minutes only I am opening the lid. This is after 10 to 12 minutes. Almost the entire milk is absorbed by the beetroot. It has become little whitish, the shade of the beetroot. This is the required stage. Now let the remaining moisture get evaporated. So just open the lid on low flame, let the water evaporate, and after 10 to 12 minutes add 1 cup of sugar. If you have sweet tooth, you can add 1/4 cup more, 1/4 cup. Here I've added only 1 cup of sugar. Because the beetroot is already sweet, we can add just 1 cup. The sugar gets melted and in 5 to 6 minutes, again the halwa comes closer. We shouldn't overcook, otherwise the sugar gets crystallized and we would get very hard halwa. When it is still soft like this, little watery like this, add those fried nuts and raisins, add half spoon cardamom powder, put off the stove. After it gets cooled down, after it comes down to room temperature, it becomes still a little harder. We can have this either cold after we keep in refrigerator, or we can have as is hot. This tastes anyway heaven. This is still little soft, then only I've put off the stove and I'm serving it. Give it a try and please let me know the feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Thank you so much.